Welcome back to the Crypto World channel. In this video, I'll be telling you exactly where I think Bitcoin will be heading next. And I'll also be doing some Ethereum analysis and telling you my price targets for Ethereum going forward. And towards the end of the video, I'll also include some Chainlink analysis because that's about to break its all-time high as well. So make sure you watch to the end of the video. If all of that sounds good to you, then make sure you leave a like on the video down below. It only takes 2 seconds, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. It will only take you like 5 seconds to click like and subscribe, and it means the world to me. But yeah, with all of that out of the way, let's get straight into the video. So right here, we're on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is currently sitting at all-time highs at just above 41,000 US dollars per Bitcoin. I can't believe I'm even saying those words right now, but that's the reality right now. We're at $41,000 per Bitcoin, and this isn't even the top. We're ready to go higher. If I zoom into the 1-hour chart, this is the 1-hour chart for Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently forming an ascending triangle pattern. If I draw it out on the chart right here, look at that. And this type of pattern is a bullish pattern. The majority of the time that Bitcoin enters this type of pattern, it breaks to the upside. Now, there are sometimes this pattern can break to the downside. It's not impossible, but this is a bullish pattern. It's more likely to break up than down. And as you can see, Bitcoin's getting right towards the end of this pattern. And by the time this video is out, it could have even had its breakout. But if you're watching this video and Bitcoin's still sitting at around $41,000, then Bitcoin could be ready to head a lot higher very soon. Now, my target for this pattern right now is at around 46,500 US dollars. So once again, if Bitcoin breaks above this recent little high here at around 42,000, if Bitcoin breaks above $42,000, then we're heading towards $46,000 very soon. So they're currently my short-term bullish targets. If in the case this does break down, then I would be looking at around the $37,000, maybe $38,000 level. But as of recent, Bitcoin has been so incredibly bullish, I seriously think that we're heading into new all-time highs pretty soon. Zooming back out onto the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin is still in an extremely strong uptrend right now. There's absolutely no signs of this stopping. If I delete just this little pattern here that I just showed you guys, the way Bitcoin normally tops out, if it reaches a top, is it normally has a big blow off top where it shoots upwards and it comes straight back down, like in a big spike. But as you can see, that's just not what's happening here. Bitcoin is coming up and it's met some resistance at around $41,000, but it's going sideways here. It's just consolidating, ready for its next push up. This is not what a top looks like. If Bitcoin was topping out here, it will go up like this, and it would have a big blow off top, and then it'll come straight back down like that. But the type of price action that Bitcoin is forming right now is seriously getting ready to explode into new all-time highs pretty soon. I've seen this type of price action play out time and time again. A similar thing happened here where we had a push up, and then we just went sideways for a little bit. We even got knocked down a little bit, went sideways, and then we pushed up again. Went pretty much sideways, pushed up again. Here we had a bit more of a correction, but we pushed up again. And Bitcoin keeps on doing this time and time again, and it's about to do it again. Zooming out onto the daily chart with the moving averages here, we've got the 200-day moving average and the 21-week EMA, which is the blue line, and the 200 days, the red line. And obviously Bitcoin is well and truly above these lines, showing how strong this uptrend really is. At the moment, there's no big bearish signs right now, other than perhaps the RSI entering overbought areas, but during a bull market, that's perfectly normal. Bitcoin does not care about that. It continues to push higher, as you can see right here. Now, what's interesting right now that's happening in crypto is Ethereum is right now actually leading Bitcoin. Normally Bitcoin leads the show, but if I switch over to the Ethereum chart, you'll see what I mean. All right, here we are. We're on the Ethereum US dollar chart on the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, Ethereum's just recently entered a similar pattern. So here we are on the Ethereum 1-hour chart, just zoomed in a little bit more, and Ethereum has actually recently just broken out of this ascending triangle pattern that Bitcoin is still in. So as you can see, Ethereum had a big run up. It reached around 1,200 US dollars per Ethereum, and then it entered this ascending triangle pattern and is currently just beginning to break out of this pattern and potentially getting ready to head to new all-time highs. So Ethereum's already started its next leg higher. As you can see here, it's pushing higher and higher. Zooming back out on the 4-hour chart, Ethereum looks incredibly bullish. Volume is remaining very strong while the price is not showing any signs of slowing down. Once again, this type of price structure that Ethereum is forming looks nothing like a normal top. So there's no way that this here is the top, which means only one thing: Ethereum's about to head higher. And since Ethereum is so close to its all-time high, I'm seriously thinking it's going to break its new all-time high within the next day, 2 days, really soon. And once Ethereum does break its all-time high, it will explode. So if I zoom out onto the weekly chart, this is the weekly chart for Ethereum. Ethereum is so close to its all-time high. The Ethereum all-time high on this chart, at least, is at around $1,500 per Ethereum. The all-time high differs depending on what exchange you're looking at. Some exchanges, the all-time high is $1,400. Some exchanges, it's over $1,500. But either way, Ethereum's incredibly close to breaking into new all-time highs. As of recording this video, Ethereum is at around $1,325 per Ethereum. So it really only has about another $100 to go before it enters new all-time highs. And as you can see back here in Ethereum's history on the weekly chart, the last time Ethereum broke its all-time high in the last bull cycle in 2017, Ethereum went from $20 to $1,500, which is pretty much an 80x gain. So if you put $1,000 in, you'll make 80 grand. Now, I'm not saying we're gonna see those same gains again. I seriously think we're never gonna see those sort of gains again in Ethereum. But in saying that, the gains that are still to come will be incredible. I seriously think over this next 1 to 2 years, Ethereum has potential to enter the 5-figure range, which obviously means there's huge gains still to come. And unlike Ethereum, we're still under the all-time high. So Ethereum right now is relatively cheap in the grand scheme of things. So if you feel like you've kind of missed the boat on Bitcoin, Ethereum honestly is a pretty good bet right now. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing myself and what I'm seeing on the charts. Make sure you do your own research, obviously, before you put any money in anything. But yeah, once again, this is just what I'm seeing on the charts, and this is just my strategy, and I'm telling you guys exactly what I'm thinking. Now, heading over to Chainlink, here we are on the 4-hour Chainlink USD chart, and Chainlink is also looking extremely strong right now. Usually altcoins such as Chainlink follow what Ethereum and Bitcoin do. And since Bitcoin's in new all-time highs, since Ethereum's ready to break into new all-time highs, Chainlink's about to do the same. Zooming out to the daily chart, here we are on the daily Chainlink chart. Chainlink is incredibly close to breaking into new all-time highs. If you bought Chainlink when I uploaded my last video, you would be in nearly 20% profits as of right now. So congrats to everyone that took my Chainlink trade that I mentioned in my last video. There's some incredibly valuable information in this video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. But yeah, anyway, as I was saying, Chainlink is getting extremely close to its all-time high. I'll plot its all-time high on the chart right here. The all-time high for Chainlink in US dollars is at around $20 US per link. And as of recording this video, Chainlink's at around 18 US dollars per link. So as of recording this video, Chainlink is only sitting at around a 13% gain away from its all-time high, and it can gain 13% in a day easy. And once Chainlink breaks its all-time high, you guessed it, it's going to explode. I said this in my last video, but I'll go over it again. The last time Chainlink broke its previous all-time high of around $5, it exploded from $5 up to $20 within pretty much 1 month. Now that's a 4x gain in just 1 month. That is insane gains, and there's more gains to come when Chainlink breaks its next all-time high of $20. I seriously think that both Ethereum and Chainlink are getting ready to break their new all-time highs within the next week for sure. Now, once again, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you put any money into Chainlink, but I'm just letting you know that while Chainlink's under its $20 all-time high, I'm accumulating as much as I can because I know where this thing's gonna go in 2021. And believe me, towards the end of this year, Chainlink, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the majority of the big cryptos out there will be a lot higher than they are right now. Right now, honestly, cryptos that are under their all-time highs, such as Ethereum and Chainlink, are pretty cheap in the grand scheme of things. And that's why I'm accumulating as much as I possibly can right now. Now I thought, let's just take a quick look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart on the daily. And as you can see, Ethereum's been in a bit of a downtrend against Bitcoin because obviously Bitcoin has been absolutely exploding recently. But Ethereum is about to break some big resistance against Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's still looking extremely strong. Don't get me wrong. It's in all-time highs and I think it's going to go a lot higher. But Ethereum, on the other hand, is honestly looking even stronger because Ethereum is getting ready to break this resistance level against Bitcoin. And on the US dollar chart, once again, it's getting ready to break into new all-time highs. So there's huge gains coming soon for Ethereum. Now let's just sit it on the daily Bitcoin chart to finish off the video. Look how beautiful this chart is looking right now. It's insane. But yeah, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to leave a like down below. It helps out the channel a lot. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one. I try to upload one video every 2 days on this channel, and with all your support, I could even move that to daily uploads moving forward. It seriously takes like just 5 seconds to leave a like on the video and scroll down and subscribe, and it means the world to me. I seriously appreciate all of your support on this channel. You guys are amazing. And once again, if you have any feedback or suggestions for me, then let me know in the comments down below. I'll be reading and replying to every single comment on this video. So if you have any questions, just comment down below and I will get back to you. And just be careful because down in the comments, there can be some scammers lurking down there. So yeah, just be aware of that as well. But anyway, that's all I have to say for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you all in the next one.